Hello and welcome to jobskillshare.org. This is actually a support video to help our support staff and also to help our members, because we do get questions like your site is confusing, your platform is confusing, there's so many resources, what membership should I take, what am I getting here, what is the outcome, all that type of questions. So I'll try to make this video very simple so people can understand it, but still there are going to be questions and we'll still help you out by sending, if you send a message on a WhatsApp or text message or call this number, we will still provide you all the support. So first, try to understand the membership. We have 3-level membership: free, plus, premium. We used to have free, and we used to have all these 4 great courses. There are more than 80 hours of content. If you come here, and even if you register and go to the membership page, you can just go straight from here or go to the home page and you can get to these free courses. Since 2017, we stopped developing these courses, and before people will finish these courses, they will submit a project, and it was a manual checking from our system admins and IT guys, and then they will certify your certificate and they'll give you that you have done the project, and we can then show that project to other people. So the plus membership was built for that, and so that's why we upgraded our plus membership and we added a lab to it. So now even if you become a plus member, you don't just finish these courses and get the certificate, but you, with this plus membership, you also get one full lab that is included in our learning path, and then all of these features, and all the way to the end you have 280 plus courses from our partner. So that's included. You get another site, you go into it, you can study as long as you want for 1 year, and that's all of that is included. Now then we have this premium membership, where you have full access to the full library access. So basically this is just one lab here, but here you have 100 plus different type of certification labs. So each lab have different modules, and there are thousands of labs in there. So you can imagine how much you have access under that $299. And then you, of course, you have all the access like plus, and then the same you have partner content, a little bit more in career services. You have that ability in premium, but both membership do not allow you to get servers from us, which is not even open to our public members yet. These are real bare metal servers. They're a very powerful server. They're expensive servers, so we're not giving that away in any memberships. You have to actually buy it. So for example, if you become a premium member, then what do you do after that? When you log into this site, or let's say you go to the home page, you're on the home page, when you log in, you automatically gets to the community page. This is custom developed for our members. Everything over here is developed from zero. So you can either, if you're on a home page, you can go from there to the member portal, or when you log in, you will get to this community portal. This is your one-stop area where you can then follow along, do different things with it. For example, you want to follow something from scratch, you want to become an IT professional, then you will go to job title certification, you'll scroll down, and it's a complete learning path which will take you about 2 to 6 months or 3 to 6 months, depending on how fast you go. Then everything is included stepwise. So you're going to see step 1 course, fundamental. You're going to click here and finish that course, and then you will see certification right here. There's an automation. You will see your progress. Everything will be shown in here. You have some task ability, some features that we have developed for you, so your learning become easier and it's beneficial for you to do things. And you can click on these videos to understand why are you taking this step 1, why are you taking step 2, why are you taking step 3, all the way till the end, till you get to the IT resume, applying for jobs, IT communities. So by completing this full learning path, you become a real IT professional, because this is not just a 1 or 2 courses, and that's why it is complex, because we add so much into these steps. There are hands-on labs, there are a lot of things that is going on in these steps. Okay, Then you have other features like lab certifications. When you finish a lab that we have given you 100 plus labs, or you have one lab in the plus, when you finish that, you can actually come here and submit that to us, that we can give you that you have actually finished that practice lab that you can show on your resume. This is something very powerful, because then now you're telling to other people that you have done something hands-on, and there you go, my proof is right here, and we can even send them the data if they want it. Now, there are going to be a lot of people, they'll look for specific videos. Sometimes you do want to search for a specific video. We're not perfect. We may not finish everything in the description that you're applying for. Maybe there's a job that have 2 or 3 or 4 things that's not covered in the learning path. Then the best way is to come here to use these 2,907 videos, and it's getting more and more every day. All you have to do is to come here and, let's say, type backup. And if you type backup, you're going to see videos about backup only. And then you can click on it, and that video will just open up like that, and then you can just take it. These are the videos that we have created for the labs. So meaning there are people that are doing these labs, so you have to do it, watch the PDF, and you have to do it manually. It takes you a lot of time, but there are maybe some people, they don't have that kind of time. They just want to watch the video. So we have actually converted those labs into a video courses, and that's very powerful. So a lot of people love this feature also. You can come here and then customize your own based on your own description. You can come here and just do things with it. Then you have other features like you click on the job, you click on the resume help, you can download the template, you can do the reporting, you can even sell your own courses, you can create your own skill courses. You learn something on your job, you want to create something, you can come here and do that. You have project feature that we have developed for you. You can create a whole project for yourself. You can save the data where you're applying. You can get that description saved. You see, everything we teaches you in all these titles, but these are all of your access over here. You can actually use this stuff and take benefit out of this. Now, there's one last thing that a lot of people maybe get confused. Okay, do I go for self-paced training or do I go for live training? You're actually doing both in our platform. You don't just take one thing and you'll finish it. If you pay for the live training, which is a lot more money, you already become a premium member. So you're actually doing a phase 1 with us. So we make this process of the title. For example, you go to these titles, it may take you 2-3 months, then maybe it may take you less time than that, but you still have to go through these courses to learn more and more and more to become a pure IT professional. You cannot become an IT professional in 5 days or 2 days. That's a lie if somebody tells you that I'm going to make you that professional in a few days. But you can learn something, you can land a job very quickly, and later on you need something like this that we have developed to kind of make you a more advanced professional by you learning and practicing it, doing a real world type of stuff, not just certification theory and stuff like that. So this is what we are going to we offer this. So if you're interested in live training, you can start with that, and everything will be explained to you just like I'm explaining to you right now. We can explain this step by step to you, so this kind of take that stress away from you that I'm confused. But if you want to do everything yourself, then you become a premium member, and then you do these things and just buy the servers with it. So if you pay $299, then you have to pay for the other server, that if you want to do the hands-on training, that's going to be like $100 or $100+. So of course you're looking at around $400+, but maybe you don't want to use our servers. We give these options to everybody. You don't have to use our server. And if you, let's say for example, you don't want to use the other labs, you can just watch the videos. So then just pay $140. So you have all the options to become an IT professional. Some options are that we have invested too much time and we're charging for it. We have invested too much money, resources. Still, we're getting all that resources from other people, and we're giving it to you for a very cheap price. These are the things that are going to cost you a lot more money. And I challenge everybody to go around and find something like this. And if you do, let me know. I really want to go and say thank you to them, because this is not something that's available outside at this level. So in my next video, I'm going to show you what we cover in live training. So if you're interested in live training, then watch my next video. Everything will be in detail, and then you have a lot of options to go for. Thank you.